In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a system admin in the fewest possible clicks. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your account and looking at the main dashboard of your workspace. We're going to start by heading down to the bottom left corner of your screen, where you'll see your profile icon. This is usually a small circle with your initials or a profile picture. Go ahead and click that profile icon. When you click it, a menu will appear with several options related to your account and settings. From that list, look for the option labeled User Management. This is the area where you control who has access to your workspace, what roles they have, and what they're allowed to do. Click on User Management to open that section. Once you're in the User Management page, you'll see a list of existing users, along with their roles and statuses. To add a new system admin, we're going to use the Add User button. This is typically located near the top right of the screen. Click Add User to open the new user form. A small window or panel will appear asking for the new user's details. Here, enter their full name and a valid email address. Take a moment to double-check the spelling of the email. If it's incorrect, they won't receive the invite, and you'll have to repeat the process. Next, look for the option or checkbox labeled System Admin. This is the critical part. Checking this box will give the new user full administrative access to your system. That usually includes permissions to manage users, change settings, and access high-level features. Because of that, make sure you only grant this role to someone you trust and who understands the responsibility that comes with it. When you're confident this is the right person, click the System Admin checkbox to enable that role for them. After you've filled in their name, email, and selected the System Admin role, you're ready to finalize the process. Look for the button labeled Send Invite. Clicking this will send an email invitation to the new user, allowing them to accept the invite and create or connect their account with System Admin permissions. Once you click Send Invite, you're done. The new user will appear in your user management list, usually with a status showing that their invitation is pending until they accept it, and that's all it takes to add a system admin in just a few quick clicks.